Hi FaceTory fam! My name is Janice. I'm the Senior Marketing Associate here at FaceTory.
My name is Nikki and I'm the Social Media Associate here at FaceTory's.
Yay! First time Nikki's in a video! We're so excited for you guys to join us in our Fresh Kit revealing for February.
So we actually have a very special giveaway. It's going to be in the Luxe video, so you can check that out. And we will be selecting 3 winners.
3 winners! So the first mask we actually have in the kit is our FaceTory Ace That Face. Ooh. So Gloria actually talked about this a lot in the unboxing video, so make sure to check it out over there. It has mushroom extract, and so if you want to learn more, go to the unboxing video.
So the next mask that we have is the Multi-Vita Brightening Active Mask. And this mask is really good for oily skin. It's a non-sticky watery essence, so it's not going to leave a sticky residue. It also has brightening and astringent ingredients like citric acid and witch hazel.
Bling Pop Peach Firming and Brightening. I know. And the packaging is really cute. Kind of reminds me of like a cute little comic. This actually contains peach extract, which is really good for anti-aging. And it has emollient properties, and that'll help to like fill in the lines and make your skin really supple and plump.
So the last mask that we have is the Beauty Chuck Unreal Gira mask, and it has green tea. This is really good for oily and acne-prone skin. It has green tea in it, so that really helps with inflammation and getting rid of dark spots as well.
And that wraps it up. We actually went through all 4 masks. Make sure to subscribe to our kit so you can get your essential mask. Make sure to enter that giveaway by looking at our Luxe unboxing video for more details. And yes, just keep going!
Bye!